that is chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter, what was the name of the chapter? It was kinds of sentence. We have already studied the kinds of sentence, and we have done the exercise, that is the first exercise, that is exercise number A. We have done yesterday, हमने कल किया था. And now let us start, let us do this second exercise number B, that is on page number 14, exercise number B. I am writing here exercise number B. Exercise B. I have sent you the book. Those who don't have book, मैंने आपको ये page भेजा हुआ है. I have sent you this book. Now let us see the question number B. Exercise number B. What is the instruction? The question is saying rewrite the following. Rewrite the following sentences. Rewrite the following sentences. Rewrite the following sentences using the correct punctuation mark. Using the correct punctuation marks. Now student, look here. There are some questions. कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं. There are some questions are given here on your book. That is exercise number B. The question is that we have to rewrite the sentence. हमें उस sentence को दोबारा लिखना है. And what do you mean by punctuation mark? Punctuation mark means हमें starting में capital letter use करना होता है. That is called punctuation mark. Full stop. Be quiet. Nothing is given. Now, is it right, students? No, it's not right. Now we have to rewrite the sentence. हमें दोबारा लिखना है. The starting of a sentence should be capital letter. Be quiet. Be quiet. Full. Now it is right. Now it is right. Now let us see the second. दूसरा देखते हैं. How it is written. ये question लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing the question. How cold the night is. How cold the night starting should be capital letter. Starting should be capital letter. So write here H capital. How cold the night. How cold the night is. What will be here? Last में क्या लगेगा बेटा? How cold the night is. How cold the night is. Full stop. No, it is an exclamatory sentence. ये क्या है? Question नहीं पूछ रहा है बेटा. बता रहा है आपको explanation. How cold the night is. Now look here. Mark of exclamation. Mark of exclamation. Okay. Mark of exclamation. Okay, now let us see. I hope it is clear, students. Once again, let me ask some of the students. Clear now? Okay. We have to rewrite this sentence using the correct punctuation mark. Using the correct punctuation mark, as you know, आपको पता है कि the starting of a sentence should be capital letter. So B will become BE. Be quiet. Next is how. H here it will be capital. How cold the night is. Here it is full stop. यहाँ full stop लिखा हुआ है. No, it will not be a full stop. Here you have to use mark of exclamation. Okay, now let us see the next question. Now look at the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3. Is is this is this your first is this your first visit? Is this your first visit? Is this your first visit to Goa? Look carefully, students. ध्यान से सुनना है. Goa. Is this your first visit to Goa? I should be capital I is to Goa. Is a name of a place. So यहाँ पे capital हो जाएगा. O in a question. So it will be a question mark. Is this your first visit to Goa? We have punctuated. हमने क्या कर दिया इसको? Punctuate कर दिया है. Now let us see number 4. Get out of here. Get out of here. Full stop. Let us rewrite. फिर से हमें इसे. The right answer is G capital. Get out of here. And what will be there at the end? Full stop. Means it is an imperative sentence. बेटा ये order दे रहा है. It is an imperative sentence. ये question पूछ रहा है. So it is an interrogative sentence. Okay ना? Now let us see number 5. Number 5. Be kind to elders. Be kind to. Now let us see. Write down, student. The right answer is B capital. Be kind to elders. Be kind to elders. Full stop. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? एडवाइस कर रहे हैं, किसी को सलाह दे रहे हैं कि बड़ों के साथ हमें अच्छा व्यवहार रखना चाहिए. Now let us see next 5 questions. 5 completed. Now let us see question number 5 question I have done. Look here. 5 question I have done. I have already sent the book to you. मैंने book आपको send किया हुआ है. Okay. And 5 question I have done here from exercise number B. Exercise number B से हमने 5 question complete कर लिया है. And remaining 5 question is your homework. Remaining 5 question is your homework. Complete it. Complete करिए. 5 question with question and answer. Punctuate करके and send it on my WhatsApp number. Now let us see question number C. Now let us see exercise number C. What is here? Correct the punctuation marks of the following sentence. Here in this exercise number C, look here. Punctuation mark is there. यहाँ पे comma, full stop, everything is written here. Now what we have to do? We have to check whether it is right or wrong. Now let us see. Number 1, हमें यहाँ पे पहले से दिया हुआ बेटा. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer of this sum? Do you know the answer of this sum? यहाँ full stop लगा है. Now read this question. Read this question. Do you know the answer of this question? Question क्या कह रहा है? Question पूछ रहा है आपसे. Here the sentence. ये वाक्य क्या कह रहा है? ये वाक्य प्रश्न पूछ रहा है. It is asking a question to you. ये प्रश्न पूछ रहा है आपसे. तो यहाँ पे क्या लगेगा? पंक्चुएशन मार्क यहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप लगा हुआ है. नो इट इज रॉन्ग. अब यहाँ पे क्या लगेगा बेटा? यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकंड वन. सेकंड वन मैं एक्सरसाइज सी कर रहा हूँ बेटा. आई हैव डन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to question number 1 to 5 I have done in the class, and question number 6 to 10 it's your homework. It's your homework. You have to complete it. Now look here at now exercise number C. Look at exercise number C. The first question, it has been corrected. Now let us see the second one. I was glad. I was glad to see. I was glad to see my old friend. I was glad to see my old friend. I was glad to see my old friend. Look here, students. यहाँ पे स्पेस दिया हुआ है, सही करने के बाद आफ्टर करेक्टिंग यू हैव टू राइट हियर, यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस स्पेस। यहाँ पे जो स्पेस दिया हुआ है यहाँ आपको लिखना है। पहला क्वेश्चन आई हैव डन बट आई हैव नॉट रीराइट, मैंने इसको दोबारा नहीं लिखा है, इसी पे करेक्शन किया हुआ है। So what you have to do after correcting, you have to write on this space. यहाँ लिखना है, you have to write on this space. Okay. Now let us see. I was glad to see my old friend. Here, mark of exclamation is given here. Mark of exclamation. यहाँ पे आप इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं कि मैं आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड। ग्लैड मीन्स हैप्पी। आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड। नाउ यू आर गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन टू समवन। व्हिच सेंटेंस इज दिस? इट इज एन असर्टिव सेंटेंस। सो यहाँ पे मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन नहीं रहेगा। व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर फुल स्टॉप। ओके, एंड after using full stop, write down on the space given. Just as number 3, open your umbrella. Open your mark is used here. It is right. Open your umbrella. No, I am requesting someone. मैं किसी से request कर रहा हूँ, order कर रहा हूँ मैं. I am giving a order to someone. This sentence is giving a order, so we can't use here question mark. यहाँ question mark नहीं होगा. What? It is an imperative sentence. If it is an order, then it is an imperative sentence. So we are going to use here what? Full stop. After using full stop, write down here. Write or full stop. Go there. Please go there. Right. Also, what? It is advising, requesting someone. हम किसी को यहाँ request कर रहे हैं. If we give a request, a advice, or a command, then it will be an imperative sentence. And what is used at the end of an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence के end में हम full stop. We use full stop at the end of an imperative sentence. So here, please go there. We are requesting someone. हम यहाँ किसी को request कर रहे हैं कि कृपया वहाँ जाइए. Please go there. So here we are not going to use go. There is go to service. Open the umbrella. Question number 3rd. See here. Open the umbrella. Open the umbrella. What are you going to use here? Full stop. Likewise, इसको आपको लिखना है इस तरीके से. Now see one more question. One more question. That is question number 5. What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant. What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. Question mark. Now read this sentence. This sentence. अचानक यहाँ कैसे? Not question here. Expression. What a pleasant. ये it is an exclamatory sentence. ये exclamatory sentence है. तो यहाँ पे हम question mark use नहीं करेंगे. We are not going to use the question mark. Now rewrite. इसको दोबारा लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे. We will write here. Okay. What a pleasant. What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. Here now we are going to use what? Mark of exclamation. Fine. So from exercise C, 1 and 1 to 5, it is done in the class. Done in the class. It has been done in class. Done in class. हमने class में कर लिया है. Question number 6 to 10, it will be your homework. It will be your homework. Okay. Now exercise. Now let us see exercise number D. Exercise number D. Now what is here? Use the given hints and complete the sentence. Look here, I am writing. Use the given. Use the given hints to complete to complete the sentence. The sentence. Look here, very important. This is your question. ये question है. Exercise number D. Use the given hints to complete the sentence. Now, what is the first hint? Number one, earth, the earth dash. आपको statement बनाना है. What do you mean by this statement? Statement means assertive sentence बनाना है. Statement. Yes. So write down the earth is round. The earth is round and use here full stop. ये हो गया statement. हम information दे dash live. Dash live here. Question mark is given और हमें इसे किस में बदलना है? Into a question means into interrogative sentence. Question means into interrogative sentence. Live. Then we can write here, where do you live? Where do you live? Completed. Yes. Now let us see the third one. Dash picture. Dash picture. Mark of exclamation. So हमें इसमें क्या करना है बेटा? इसको exclamatory sentence में change करना है. Exclamation. Picture. What a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture. Now let us see number 4. Next, fast food. Fast food. क्या करना है हमें? Full stop. It is given full stop. Advice. Don't use. Don't eat. Don't eat fast food. Don't eat fast food. We are giving an advice. किसी को advice दे रहे हैं. Imperative sentence. Number 5. Dash out of the class, out of the room, out of the room, out of the room. क्या करना है हमें? What we have to do? Command. Command. Imperative sentence. Command. Come on. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. Now let us see the last one. Number 6. Dash. A glass of milk. Full stop. Request. What? Request means imperative sentence में change करना है. Request. Then please give me. Please give me. I have given in the example. एक example में है. Please give me a glass of milk or please give me a glass of water. These are the exercises. These are the exercises of chapter number 3. Kinds of sentences. यहाँ पे hint क्या दिया हुआ था? What was the hint given? The hint was given that the first question को हमें किस में change करना है? Statement में. तो हमने कर दिया the earth is round. It is an statement. It is we are here. What is statement? A sentence, an assertive sentence. What is statement? Assertive sentence. This assertive sentence, a sentence which gives information. मैं information आपको दे रहा हूँ that the earth is round. Now let us see. Live. इसको हमें question mark में बदलना है. किसमें? Question में. Now where do you live? Where do you live? Now it has been converted to question mark. Now see the third one. Picture and change into exclamation means exclamatory sentence में change करना है. Then you can write here what a beautiful picture. Fourth one, fast food. Fast food means Chinese food. Maggi, chow mein, all these are called fast food, right? All these are called fast food. So change it to advice. Advice means salah dena. Don't eat fast food. Don't eat fast food means we are giving an advice to someone. किसी को advice दे रहे हैं कि don't eat fast food. Now the fourth one, out of the room. Out of the room means क्या करना है? इसको हमें command में change करना है. Command means imperative sentence. Get out of the room. Last one, please give me a glass of milk. That's all. And the chapter is over. Now here the chapter is over. Let me once again explain you. Once again. क्विक रिव्यू एक बार रिव्यू कर लेते हैं कि व्हाट वी हैव लर्न इन दिस क्लास. In chapter number 3, we have learned kinds of sentences, and sentences are of four types, that is assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Students, look carefully. Now, what is assertive sentence? A sentence that make a statement is called assertive sentence. Means a sentence which gives information, a sentence which tell us a fact. Such type of sentence are called assertive sentence. Second, what is imperative sentence? A sentence which expresses order, command, request or an advice is called imperative sentence. एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जो ऑर्डर करता हो, कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट करता हो या किसी को सलाह देता हो, such type of sentence is called imperative sentence. And I hope you know what is interrogative sentence. A sentence which asks question, a sentence which asks question is called इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जो प्रश्न पूछता हो, एक ऐसा वाक्य जो प्रश्न पूछता हो, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. एंड व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस? अ सेंटेंस व्हिच एक्सप्रेसेस स्ट्रॉन्ग और सडन फीलिंग ऑफ माइंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. यानी अचानक मन से निकला हुआ भाव. यू कैन लुक हियर सम एग्जांपल्स आर हियर. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर. हमारा एक्सप्रेशन आता है उस समय, बोलते हैं ना, एक्सप्रेशन आता है. अलास द मैन इज नो मोर. यहाँ पे दुख की बात आ रही है कि वो आदमी नहीं रहा, इज नो मोर. तो वहां पे हम अलास यूज करते हैं. हुर्रे वी वन द मैच. यहाँ खुशी का इजहार हो रहा है. ओके, तो सच टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस आर कॉल्ड, and we have done the exercises. Now try to recognize from our book. किसी और बुक में से भी आप क्वेश्चन ले करके और उस क्वेश्चन को try to find out that which type of sentence is it. किसी भी एक take one story. Okay, take any story. स्टोरी पढ़ने वाले पहचानिए कि which sentence is this. Yes, love your country. मैंने कहा love your country. Then which sentence is this? It's an imperative sentence. मैं आपको सलाह दे रहा हूँ कि अपने देश से प्यार करो. Yes. So we have done the exercise. We have done all the definition. Now it's your duty. There are homework. I have sent today morning. I have sent the definition and exercises of third chapter, and only 10 sentences are there. That is first from question number B, exercise B, question number 6 to 10 you have to do yourself, and in exercise C from question number 6 to 10 you have to do. In exercise D it is completed here, and exercise A is also completed. आपको exercise A मैंने complete कर दिया है, D complete कर दिया है. क्वेश्चन exercise B और C में से 5-5 क्वेश्चन है जो आपको घर पे करना है और मुझे सेंड करेंगे. And please, you are studying in class 5. Write down neat and tidily, cleanly. साफ सुथरा लिख के भेजना बेटा, ठीक है? एक होमवर्क दिया था. I have given you one homework earlier. Handwriting was not clear. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, so I deleted all. Now, please. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'm going to give you opportunity to raise your hand. आप अपना हाथ उठाएंगे. I'm not going to unmute. मैं आपको यहाँ से unmute नहीं करूँगा. Still, Ayushi Oja and some बाकी जो हैं, they are playing with their mobile. They are sending message on my mobile. मेरे मोबाइल पे फोन कर रहे हैं. They are calling me. They are sending messages. Fine. Now here 4 participants. 4 लोगों ने हाथ उठाया हुआ है. Let me see who are they. And if you have any doubt, students, regarding this chapter, I'm not going to continue or explain the chapter again. मैं इस चैप्टर को दोबारा नहीं बताऊंगा. This chapter sentence के बारे में I think this yes optative sentence 5 sentence के साथ पढ़ाया था. I have continued the chapter again, or means I have revised the chapter or taught the chapter again. So I'm not going to continue or revise the chapter once again. I'm not going to teach you the chapter again. Now it's your duty. Write down neat and cleanly the definition, the example, and try to implement all these things in some other questions. कुछ बाकी बुक्स के क्वेश्चंस भी लेकर आप वहां देख सकते हैं कि हाँ सर ने ये पढ़ाया था. चलो इसको पहचानते हैं कि ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है. ट्राई टू रिकॉग्नाइज. थैंक यू.